You're about to experience the highest quality of piece of shit in your life.
Alrighty, we are down here in Georgia. Actually, we're in Atlanta, Georgia, for the Nappy Boy Drift Symphony. Thanks to HERT for having me down, and you'll be very surprised. He's got me down as a guest driver, and yes, the barrel wag's not here yet, but the boat is literally 1 week away from docking. Hopefully, I can get it out pretty quick out of customs. But have a look what I'll be driving. Yes, so HERT has given me the keys to his Shout E36 NA weapon. He's got some goodies, nothing special. 3.9 locker he's just put in there, hydro handbrake, a bucket seats, just the basic goodies. It's actually quite a tight little track. We'll go have a look at it soon, but before that I want to go chat to HERT, say thank you, and have a look at the cars that he's got down here. Some say he might even give me a lap, who knows?
What? Today is the day. Nappy Boy Automotive's first drift event, the Drift Symphony. Me and T-Pain decided it was time kind of dip our toes in having an event. I've never had an event before. I've been to Reet in Australia. It was a really good event.
Saw how premium it was.
Out there like, just taking notes, you know? Yeah, now it's real. Now we're here. Now we're doing this.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you. We got a great driver turnout. Sold a lot of paddock tickets and a ton of spectator tickets, so people are rolling in like crazy. You can kind of see the sea is filling, and then we got crazy lineup of drivers. I don't know. I'm excited, man.
We're gonna have some fun, basically.
We got to get you here with the old barrel wag.
Yeah, you know? She's close.
Yeah. It might not be fair for you, but we'll do a little driver swap, you know? A little car swap, you know?
Yeah, I'm down. You won't be able to handle the barrel wag.
No, I'm just kidding, but thank you for coming out and showing love.
Anytime. Got to support.
Welcome to America, by the way, too. Dude.
God damn.
The atmosphere is crazy. I didn't know this is what it felt like having an event, you know? It's like seeing all these people come to support you and stuff. It's sweet.
Very good.
Jazz.
Oh, enjoy.
Let's get it, baby.
Hey.
What up?
How you doing?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
That's alright.
Fixing things I forgot to do before I left the shop.
This thing is sick. So this is Chelsea's, I don't even know, he's got that many cars. It's a backup car. S550. Still learning Mustang things, but very cool. You reckon just going to get the wife to steer this thing? He told me it's beat up. It's definitely not beat up. It looks bloody immaculate to me. Very cool. I'm yet to steer one of these. I'm very interested to see how they actually handle. But cool car. Let's keep moving. What the heck? It's a goddamn Maserati Country. That's it. I've got the S14 giveaway parked at the front. If you haven't got on it and you're in the US and you saw it, you could have scanned it, but obviously if you haven't, head to keeperee.us and you can enter S14 giveaway. It's only live for a couple of weeks, so get on it. Here she is right here. Scan that ass. Alright, time to head back down and go steer this thing. Alright, got the HERT helmet ready to go. Fun fact, HERT's actually got a brand called Ultra Slice. I'm sure there's probably other people that knew that, but he's done a few collabs and does some merch and stuff, which is pretty cool. So there you go. Oh, good day, mate. What are you doing here?
T-Pain flew me out. Be a guest driver here.
So what are you driving?
I just blew the rear quarter off of that. That's my buddy's car. It's a great car, but it's got no angle.
You gotta stop paying out cars to people that you drive, or you're never gonna have anything left.
Oh, no. And I've been trying to help him to make this car work, honestly, like 2 years, and I've only just found out that the car just has no angle. That's all that's ever been wrong with it. They never move the rack forward.
Yeah.
So it's got, and they put massive lock stops in. I just assume, you know what I mean? It's like rear radiator, built motor. It has everything done. It's an all intensive purpose, like Pro 2 car or whatever. Built LS3, like stroked.
Just the Aussie pack, the American package. So.
Yeah, it's the American package. It's got it all, PBM, everything. But they never move the rack forward.
True.
Alright.
Oh, have fun. Alright, we're back out. I got Ethan passenger, so we can get some in-car chat footage of me trying to struggle to drive this thing. Let's go.
I go over anything like ranch, facts. Yes, hit the boulevard and hit my dance. Everybody wanna be a boss, but they can't. I go over anything like ranch. Into my old clothes, by my ass like I'm with friends. Now I eat hors d'oeuvres and
Not
get
bad for a
absurd in
second
my
time
advance.
left-hand drive car.
It would be a lot easier to film if this had harness. I'm in the car like this.
Completely ruining his passenger experience.
Hit the boulevard and hit my dance. Everybody wanna be a boss, but they can't. But they motherfucking
Let's go.
You're about to experience the highest quality of piece of shit in your life.
Let's go. Twerkstallion. So I gotta film this thing because it's an absolute standout car for me here. Love a standout car, something different. And here we have the Trans Am. G'day, mate.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good.
That's JJ, is that right?
Yeah, JJ.
So what's the go? This thing is so cool. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so it's a 78 Pontiac Trans Am. I built a lot of 350Cs, 240s, that kind of thing, and I was getting kind of bored. And so I tried to reignite my passion with drifting and make my life difficult at the same time. And so I took it's a second gen F body, put a whole bunch of Drifty Boy stuff in, obviously the roll cage, you can see. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and the big thing about Atlanta, Georgia is you'll have to forget some of the damage. It went into a
don't worry
wall.
about that. You get that.
So yeah, so we LS swapped it, of course. It's actually just a 5.3 liter from a full-size pickup truck in the early 2000s. NSR Drift Spec cam, has fast 102 manifold. It makes about 360 horsepower, not a lot.
Nice.
This thing sits in the red line, about 7,200 RPM, no valve springs, nothing.
It's a new thing for me, seeing some rust on the block of the LSs here. There's the iron block.
Yeah, iron block. I keep the moisture in. It's good for the skin. It started off as kind of like a junkyard dog, right? Like we kept it really rusty and people loved it. But at the end of the day, my ultimate goal was always to have it nice and shiny. So But yeah, we're taking it. It's got a lot of what we call like cut car or asphalt oval racing parts.
Okay.
So the radiator is from like an asphalt oval race car, G-force dog box, side shift,
Awesome.
dog box, and then I also have a winner's quick change rear end, which
Good.
it's essentially kind of like a pro car.
Yeah,
a lot
it's got
of
all the stuff.
A lot of pro car parts are on it. The fueling system and stuff is from a pro car.
Just a little bit of NOS and you're good to go.
I would love some nitrous for sure. The front subframe is mostly stock. We did extend the lower control arms, run some tubular upper arms, and then we did chop and cut the knuckles.
I was just looking at that. It's got some funky setup, but it's kind of like, I don't know what to compare that to.
That's the least fancy part of the car.
Because what is it?
It's the only thing that's been the most reliable.
Yeah, so what, the spring, where's the spring?
Yeah, it's
in there somewhere?
Yeah, so the coilover is actually tucked in there.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah, it's not a very
Must be like a really heavy rate spring like tucked in there.
Yeah, I wish I could tell you the number. I had to keep going up though.
Yeah.
So these are not rack and pinion from the factory. So we converted to a rack and pinion from a 4th gen Pontiac Trans Am.
Okay.
So we actually have a true LS car power steering rack conversion.
Yep.
And that allows me to kind of wheel it as I need to.
Yeah, very
Helps
good.
with the self-steer.
Oh, definitely help a lot, yeah. What ECU runs this, you say?
So it's running a Holley Terminator X.
Okay.
Super basic. It fired off right away.
Very good.
Didn't even have to worry about it. It cranked up like a factory car.
There you go. So yeah, it's like the Speedway style quick change.
Exactly. Yep. So it's a winner's sprint style. I don't know. It wasn't too expensive considering how good it is.
Got the
10-inch ring gear. Changed the rear gear ratios.
Yep.
Easy. Old NASCAR sway bar setup.
Yep.
So a company here in Cumming, Georgia named Victory Fabrication did the whole rear and the sway bar setup. Really saved my ass because I was breaking the ladder bars all the time.
Yeah, no doubt.
Finally got it, and I've been driving it really reliable for a whole year. So.
That'll change the car, no doubt. How it handles.
I mean, it did. We changed the rear angle of the third member, and now this thing it digs. Only 360 horsepower, but people don't believe me. They think it's got a lot more.
Yeah.
So.
What ratio did you say?
It's a 483 right now.
Yeah, there you go. So
it wakes it up.
It'll just
yep.
straight away.
Yeah. So people think it's got 1 billion horsepower, but it's only got 360.
Trickery. Have you weighed it up?
3,060.
Okay,
with
that's
about
not
half tank of fuel.
That's not crazy, I think.
No,
I'm still trying to figure out what.
Factory 33.
Okay.
So with me in it, it's probably 3,200 something.
Very cool. Oh, I appreciate the chat, man. Your car's sick.
Thank you.
Go rip it.
Go over anything like ranch.
She loves it. That's sick.
What the hell?
God dang, Vaughan getting junior.
Out of all the people in the world that I hit Vonkin.
Good.
Vonkin, sweet.
Good story though.
That should be good video, hopefully.
I know.
To be
you
fair-
trusted me.
To be fair, you got stitched up.
I did. Saved one and caused one.
Yeah.
So
He
I'm still 1-1.
He was running the super wide slow line. You were definitely G'ing up and getting up in there. That
trying.
first transition, I was like, damn. He knows the length of his front end.
He heard the exhaust and got phased out. So.
Yeah, that's it, I reckon. I'll see driving there, man.
Thanks, man.
Thanks heaps for the ride. Quick check up on the kids and the fans. Thanks for turning. Premium.
Should be right.
Should be right. Quick updates. Gearbox be gone. No, it wasn't me. One of HERT's boys has been doing bulk laps in this thing as well. He also did that. Yeah, no deal. I was about to go take it out for a night lap. Now it's starting to get freezing. Some wheels are getting changed in this. HERT apparently spun a bearing in Twerkstallion. Does this car have a name?
I just call this the big body.
The big boy. GS 300, I think.
Yes.
He's G'd up. He's ready to go. I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah, just waiting on Nick and we're good to go.
Yeah, boy. You ready?
No film this car on these wheels. All right.
It's illegal. You might get kicked out of final bout. Ah. Oof. Ah. What? Ah. Alright, S14 all locked and loaded, and that's a wrap. They're still going for a few hours and they got some karaoke thing with T-Pain. I'm a family man and I'm tired and jet lagged, so thanks so much to HERT for inviting me out and having me and giving me the keys to his E36 and taking me in both his cars. So had heaps of fun. It was a blast seeing all people, Colette, Vaughn Gittin Jr., Chelsea, Luke fan, and all the regular faces. So I'm looking forward to bumping into those people again throughout the year. This really G's me up for what's to come and our travels, and especially having my cars here. So can't wait to update you all when the wagon and PSI 30 arrive, and also the plans for what we're going to do to this trailer to make it spicy for our road trips and deck it out, have it ready to go to tour the country. So if you enjoyed, make sure you smack that like, bang a comment what you thought of HERT's cars, what you thought about him blowing up his cars and a gearbox dying in his other car. But yes, very good time, and if you're from the US, make sure you follow and jump on the S14 giveaway. It's still live for a couple of weeks and it will be drawn and it will be sent straight to your door for free. So that's been cool. So thanks everyone for your support and people that came and said hi. We'll see you on the next one.